Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix reels not showing on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram reels option is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to simply try to update your Instagram apps. Open your app store or Play Store, and then you have to go for search and search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, and after updating, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you just have to go back, go for settings app, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, open your general section, scroll down, look for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, trying to disconnect with that. After disconnected, you have to simply go back and you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have a simple way. You just have to go for general section, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app. So just tap on this offload app option, then tap on offload app again, and your app will be offloaded. So after offloading, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware, enter your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Or in some cases, if you're still facing the same issues, this is the only way. You just have to open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile option in the bottom right, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and look for the option of help. Just select the help option, and here just select report technical problem. Select report problem without shaking here, then tap on include and continue. And here you have to briefly explain which is happening to you or on your phone, your profile. You have to simply display that your Instagram reels are not showing. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Instagram can directly fix your issue, or they can send you a version of Instagram that may have any effect like that. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.